How long does a set of electric pedals last? Let's put it to the test today. First of all, put our motor and bracket in a water depth of 1 meter. Soak for 24 hours. We put red paint in the water. If water gets in, the inside of the motor will turn red. 24 hours later, we took the motor out and disassembled it. You can see there's no water, and our motors have passed third-party testing. Waterproof level up to IP67. The electric pedal motor is exposed to the outside, although it only comes with a 2-year warranty. But from the consumer's point of view, our electric pedals are in raw materials. Qualitatively, quality inspection is followed by the concept of excellence. Make more secure products for consumers. Want to see more production process? Please follow me.